In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find MetaTrader 5 broker. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in MetaTrader 5 to locate your broker's server and confirm which account you're connected to, plus a few practical tips to avoid common connection errors. Let's start right inside MetaTrader 5 on desktop. Open the platform, go to the File menu at the top, and choose Open an Account. A window called Find Your Company appears. In the search box, type the name of your broker just as it's commonly written. MetaTrader will return a list of matching servers. You'll often see multiple entries, such as separate live and demo servers or regional servers. Pick the one that matches your account type, then click Next. You'll be prompted to log in. Enter your account login ID, your secure sign-in details, and select the correct server from the list. If those details don't match the chosen server, you'll see authorization errors. So take a moment to confirm everything is aligned. When possible, copy and paste your login ID to avoid typos and always keep your credentials private. Another quick way to confirm your broker is through the Navigator panel on the left side of MT5. Under Accounts, you'll see your account ID and the broker name listed together. This is a handy visual check, especially if you use more than one broker or keep both demo and live accounts. If the name there isn't what you expect, you may be logged into the wrong account or server. If you're unsure which server to choose, check the welcome message your broker sent when you open the account. That message typically includes the broker name, the exact server name, your account login, and the credentials you need to connect. Keep that information accessible and secure. Matching the server name precisely is crucial. You can also verify broker details inside the platform. Click Help in the top menu and select About or About your broker. This section displays the broker's official name, website, and contact information. It's a good place to confirm you're dealing with the right company and to find support links directly from within MT5. If your broker doesn't appear in the MT5 search, it usually means they don't support MetaTrader 5, or you need to download their customized MT5 installation from the broker's official website. Using the correct installer ensures the right servers are preloaded and helps avoid connection issues. And remember, MT4 and MT5 are different platforms, so make sure you're using the version your account was created for. That's it. Simple, clear ways to find and confirm your MetaTrader 5 broker.